Welcome back. Kidney health depends on many factors, including nutrition. Here we provide you with kidney-friendly and beneficial foods. Number 1. Apple fruit. It is a good source of pectin, a type of soluble dietary fiber that can lower cholesterol and glucose levels. Apple peel is an important source of antioxidants that protect the body from free radical damage, and is believed to play a role in protecting against cancer and heart disease. Number 2. Blueberries. It ranks first among fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables in terms of its antioxidant content. It is also a low-calorie source of fiber and vitamin C. Number 3. Oily fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. They are essential nutrients that our body cannot make, so we must obtain them through the foods we eat. These fatty acids have a role in reducing the risk of arrhythmia and reducing triglyceride levels. Salmon is a favorite source of omega-3 fatty acids, and is also found in mackerel, tuna, herring, and sardines. Number 4. Strawberries. This delicious red fruit is a source of vitamins, antioxidants and fiber. Strawberry fiber and nutrients help protect the heart, in addition to anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.